My name is Giacomo. I'm originally from Brazil and I'm a MADE Ph.D. student in collaboration between Grundfos and DTU. So my PhD is about sustainable trade-offs, sustainable decision-making and sustainability in design. My plan is to create two tools to help companies in their sustainability transition. One is how do we measure sustainability from a very early innovation stage in technology development. And second is how can you then use that information to make better decisions and solve some dilemmas, some trade-offs in design. So a trade-off, taking a Grundfos example, would be, should I go for a pump that has recycled material in it, but has a little bit higher energy consumption, or a pump that doesn't have any recycled material, so virgin material, but has a better energy efficiency? So should I go for a better material resource use or a better energy consumption? We know from research and from experience that when it comes to sustainability, around 80% of all the environmental impacts of new products come from the very early design stages. So that's why we have to focus on the very early as we can, innovation. So that's why my focus is on technology development. If we can make the technologies themselves more sustainable, that means we can make the products that use them more sustainable, and then in the end that will come to society and make society as all more sustainable as well. So I'm almost 1 year into my PhD, and during this year I have really focused on trying to understand the challenge and getting a better sense on what makes this so hard. And for example, I've come to know that we have to think of future scenarios. So how will society change in 10 years? That really impacts how a technology may look like from a sustainability point of view. So I still have 2 years to go in front of me. And during those 2 years, I will really focus on putting those challenges into a tool that can solve that, and developing those two tools that I mentioned and testing them in Grundfos and other companies as well, really make sure that they work in real life. With those two tools, I really hope that not only Grundfos, but also companies in MADE and maybe elsewhere can use them to get better at making sustainable related decisions. Casper, how can we use big data to make processes more sustainable? Can you give us some examples?